Trying to find the best banh mi in Saskatoon. Here I am at Ngon Ngon here on 8th Street, the old Xanadu building. I've been wanting to come here for a long time. And look at these doors. These are amazing. And as I was trying to find the best banh mi in Saskatoon, I ran into the guy trying to find the best noodle bowl in Saskatoon. That's right, I went down there to hang out with my pal Clayton. He's amazing. Go follow Clayton to keep up with his quest. Look at these banh mi's. I went for the cold cuts, homemade cold cuts on these, and only $10. It was amazing. Look at what came. Absolutely loaded with veggies. Great size. Look at that homemade cold cuts in there. Char siu and pork sausage, cucumbers, lots of nice sauce on there. Bread has that perfect Vietnamese sub-roll feel. And then the bowls came. Look at that. Two dorks filming their lunch. But look at the color. As Sandwich Dad, I gotta try the sandwich first. So, taste test. Absolute top tier. Full marks from Sandwich Dad. Clayton working on his angles. Definitely, I'd say one of my new favorites in the city. Absolutely. Now on to help Clayton on his quest. Look at that spring roll. I've been around, folks, and Saskatoon has some of the best Vietnamese food in Canada. And this might be one of the best noodle bowls I've ever had. And maybe one of the biggest ones, too. I poured the whole nuc chum all over top of it there. A little bit of chili crisp. And I tell you what, so flavorful. I took half of my sub and the rest of it home, enjoyed it for the rest of the day. The staff were absolutely incredible. Just some of the nicest people. So glad I came. So nice to meet everybody there. So nice to hang out with Clayton. Ngon Ngon on 8th Street. Go check it out. Sandwich Dad, good day! Oh, and I shared the last half of the banh mi with Sandwich Lad, and he loved it. Okay, good day!